So make your PPT first ready with your 10 questions or whatever questions you want, like this. So you make your tutorial in PPT. Go to the Power Bank desk and log in through the college ID, okay, which is for the department. And here you will get the Google form. Click on that form. There are the old forms already. And then you take the any old of the tutorial already done by me. Make a copy of that tutorial like this, which I am showing here already. After making a copy, you will get the like you have to change first the name of this copy from the 20th to whatever tutorial number given for your assignment list. I have changed it for now to 23rd. Now after taking it okay, the next thing is you have changed the name of the tutorial, but yet on the form the tutorial name has been not changed. So you have to change this number and name here also, like 23. Then write down your own name, whatever, like if I am Dr. Chaitanya, then you have to change to your name. Then change your topic name, okay. So after doing all these settings, now you can go for the next setting. Scroll down to the last question, because these questions are for the 20th tutorial. You have to copy paste your own questions. Now go down and start to delete from the down, okay. Once you started from the down, like this is the 10th question, I am going to start now with the deleting options. So I am deleting here. Now I will come upstairs up to the question number 1. So once I deleted all the questions, now this form is ready with all the settings to add new questions with the new topic. Now once I deleted, now this option should not be deleted. Now open your PPT again back, and this PPT is already we have done. So now copy the your question number 1 from the PPT and paste it on the question number 1 on our tutorial page or the Google form page. So it's very simple. Now after coming over here again on this page, you can see that you just click the plus button. Now your question is ready. Start with the one question, then copy paste it, okay. Now same you can do it for your options also. Like you have to copy your options from your PPT and paste it here over here in the PPT. So if you have image in your PPT already, you just save it as a save picture on your desktop option, okay. Now after saving it the image on the desktop, like this I am doing over here. After saving this image on the desktop, it will be on our desktop and ready to be uploaded on the Google form. Now after saving this option, now come to your Google form again back, and after the Google form you can see here that the image option is there after every question. So you click on this image option. Now it will direct you to the browse option. Now browse this already image saved on the desktop. Open that image, and now image will be uploaded. So wait for this blue line to fulfill. After image has been uploaded, now you can scroll down and can see that the question is already copy paste and image is there on the your form. So this much is you required. Now just open the option required on the right corner. This, so on the right side there is an option called as required. You just open that option so that the now question become compulsory to attempt. Click on the and add answer key. Now click on the whichever the answer is there, and now done. So here we have made the question compulsory, and after answering that, person will come to know that what is the actually correct answer for that question, okay. Now next setting is, after all this thing, you click on the response and see that whether responses are open or not. Keep it as accepting responses, okay. And after all the form is now ready, you want to see how it appear to the person who is going to attempt it. Now this is the form which looks like when you are going to answer for this. If there is any problem or any error, you can rectify it again, okay. Now next setting is to the send to the form. So on click on the sending option, give your own email ID and send this form link to yourself through email ID, okay. Now next thing is open your email on your mobile, and you will get the form is now on your email ID. Just click it on. Now fill out form option should be clicked. After that the form will open on your mobile, okay. Now just see that if there is any correction, you can again delete this form. Go to your Google setting again, you can change that. Now click on the right dots, three dots, After opening that, there is a share option. Just click that share option for the WhatsApp, and now it will direct to the your WhatsApp chat. Okay, then again you can write it down the exam, that is the name of the your our tutorial sharing group. Here you can, after that you can share this form directly on the group, and the